With every mission, India redefines the boundaries of possibilities. With every mission, India redefines the boundary of possibilities because this very day, India's dreams have soared higher and higher to the skies. In touching the moon, India has proven it that everyone's dream is not too distant, The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it. Because when you look at the stars and the galaxy, you feel that you're not from this particular piece of island, but you are from the solar system. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Kathan Kaushal, a student of class 10th, and I'm honored and pleased to be standing here in front of all of you today to speak about National Space Day. This special day was established on 23rd August 2023 by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Today, India is celebrating National Space Day, a day that reminds us that India's proud achievements in the field of space science. From a very humble beginning, India has become one of the most leading powers in space in the world. This big dream, began with Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program, who believed that science and technology together can make the destiny of India which we hold in today. After him, scientists like Dr. Satish Dhawan, Dr. U.R. Rao, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, held this torch forwards. In the recent years, like Dr. K. Sivan and S. Somnath have given a new direction to ISRO. Our political leaders have also made a strong support to India's journey. From Jawaharlal Nehru, who encouraged scientific research, to Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, each one of them has stood with ISRO to make our nation India proud. When we talk about India's space heroes, we cannot forget Wing Commander Mr. Rakesh Sharma. And when Indira Gandhi had asked him, "Hamara Bharat upar se kaisa dikhta hai?" and he proudly replied, "Sare jahan se acha," and these words still echo today in the minds of the young Indians. We also remember Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian-born woman who had traveled to space, and Sunita Williams, who had set long spacewalks and long stays. Presently, Himanshu Shukla has made all the Indians feel proud because of these people. They are an inspiration to the young minds of the India who aim for the stars. Our achievements are shining decades after decades. Chandrayaan missions to the moon, Mangalyaan missions to the Mars, and most of it all, Chandrayaan 3, where India has become the first nation to land on the lunar south pole of the moon. Now we are preparing for future missions like Aditya L1 to study the sun, Gaganyaan, and more space rockets. So let us not forget that sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning. On this day, let us not only celebrate about rockets and satellites, but the courage to dream big and make those dreams real. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had said, dream, dream and dream, because these dreams will transform into thoughts and these thoughts will result into action. Because dream is not something that you see while sleeping, but it is something which doesn't let you sleep. India's leap to the moon is a giant leap for mankind, and that restless dream is what took us to the moon, to the Mars, and will take us beyond. So let us dream, let us dare, and let us do. Because when India dreams together, nothing in the universe can stop us, nothing in the universe can stop us. Thank you and Jai Hind.